¿Qué pasó mi gente? Josué el MangoMan back with another video. In this video we went from La Jaria Metro all the way down to the south. Now when I drive to the south, I don't like to take the autopista, that's the general highway with the toll roads. I like to take the scenic route because the scenic route takes you through the mountains and you get to see spectacular views like these. Now right now in this video we're in Ciales, and in Ciales you can leave your car on the side of the road right here, and then there's a little sidewalk where you can see the beautiful scenic mountain views. I love how to the right the clouds are casting a shadow over the mountains, and then on the left everything is sunny and clear. Talk about a bird's eye view. This is beautiful. Now on our next stop, I took a random road, but not so random to me because this is where my finca is. No, I wish. But seriously, this was breathtaking. Take this in, guys. This is amazing. Alright, so now on our next stop, we stop at a place called Aguas Buenas. Now, here in Aguas Buenas, we found an abandoned truck right here in this beautiful lot. Look at this. This looks like something from a movie. It didn't even feel like I was in Puerto Rico. It felt like I was in the jungle, like in Asia somewhere. And then we just have this abandoned truck. It has rust on it, it has graffiti. It looks like it's been here for years. I wondered what happened to that truck, you know? Why was it left there? And what was it used for? So I decided to check underneath the truck, but as you can see, there was a lot of rust, and yeah, I didn't think it was worth it. So that was the most that I could give you guys right there. Bueno, mi gente, that was the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. There's gonna be more videos coming out because we did a lot of traveling, so stay tuned.